Thanks for joining me, guys. We definitely got to study hard for this orgo test tomorrow.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, of course.
Been hold up well?
Yeah.
Yeah, same here. I've been trying to.
I gotta go, guys.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Yeah, we'll see you next time.
Wah wah.
Wow, wow, wow. Wah, 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 wah.
That's too distracting. I need to find somewhere more quiet to study. I'm so glad my cousin was able to tell me about her new whoopee cushion shaped like a coronavirus company. Huh, seems pretty cool. Oh my goodness, it's 8 o'clock. I gotta head home. We live in a world that is kind of designed to distract us and to consume our time. For me, I found that what was most distracting me was my phone or studying with a big loud group of friends. And so what I did to that is just, remove those distractions. I found that I studied best when I was alone or when I was studying with a group of people who were also focused and working on the same work.
I personally have found out that staying off my phone and overall deleting some social media apps have helped me the most when it comes to scheduling my week and my commitments as far as going to recitation groups or to lectures or committing my time to my extracurricular activities.
I also find that, I like to block certain apps on my phone when I'm studying, or I even just throw my phone behind me just to get it out of the way.
Being clear and vocal about your study commitments to your friends and family. Also get distractions that you can tend to later, as far as visiting people or going to certain events, and then letting them know that you're a full-time student and you're fully committed to your studies. Will allow them to understand why you may not be available in some weeks compared to others throughout the semester. And scheduling around that can be good too. So I think that dealing with distractions as a freshman and then eventually as a senior, you'll begin to filter out what deserves your time the most and what doesn't.